How to withdraw money from Cryptomania. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Cryptomania, one of the most popular crypto trading simulators out there. Now, a lot of people have been asking on how you can basically withdraw money from Cryptomania, and the answer might surprise you. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about the platform, what it really is, the means to withdraw, and how can you make the most out of it as a learning tool. And so let's get started. Now, what is Cryptomania? Basically, Cryptomania actually is a trading simulator, not a real exchange. That means it's designed to mimic the real-world experience of buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies, but with virtual money. Now, it's like a crypto playground where you can test strategies without risking your actual funds. It's great for beginners but also useful for intermediate traders who want to refine or fine-tune their methods. So, as you can see, as I've opened the Cryptomania application, you can then go ahead and see that we are earning virtual money right here. We have virtual US dollars and we have virtual 100 gold. So I'll just click on the claim button, and simply once inside, if I click on the start trading button, I will be able to start trading right away without simply depositing money into the account right here. So if I click on the buy option, you can then go ahead and see that I've traded money on the trading simulator or the trading platform. Now I'm using an Android emulator right here to basically demonstrate to you the application itself. Now you can only use Cryptomania inside your mobile devices. Now let's talk about on what is the purpose of a trading simulator, because what this is only a trading simulator, not a real trading where you can simply invest money and withdraw your money. So why do people use simulators like Cryptomania? The main purpose is education. You can go ahead and get used to crypto volatility, learn how to use stop losses, understand how market trends works or affect the prices, and practice day trading or swing trading techniques. Since there's no real money involved, it's a safe environment to make mistakes and learn from them. Now, why can't you go ahead and actually withdraw real money if you're earning money here on your trading account? As I've said earlier, this money right here is only a virtual money. For example, once again, I have $3,000 right here. If I click on the sell button, I will be able to sell all of my virtual money from the application right here. So that explains on why you can go ahead and withdraw money here on Cryptomania. Now to clarify things off, you cannot withdraw real money from Cryptomania since the platform uses simulated money or virtual money. Everything you earn is virtual. Think of it like as a video game economy. It exists within the application but doesn't translate to your actual wallet or bank account. However, this doesn't make the experience any less valuable. Basically, this gives you the confidence and skill set to use real trading platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Now, let's talk about how Cryptomania rewards work. Cryptomania may offer things like leaderboards, badges, or even competitions with real-world rewards like gift cards, crypto prices, but these are promotional and not part of the regular gameplay. Check their official announcements or social media channels for updates on any special events where you might earn real-world bonuses. And so, let's talk about on how you can go ahead and practice with realistic trading conditions here on Cryptomania. You want to think of it as a real money, not a simulated money, to go ahead and basically simulate a real trading experience. Now, as closely as possible, you want to make sure that you are using real data and market conditions in Cryptomania. Basically, many users click around or make random trades, but to benefit from this simulator, you want to once again treat it seriously. Now, you want to set goals, track your portfolio, and even log trades in a spreadsheet. Basically, this discipline will pay off when you move to real markets. Now, because if you use real money into real markets, your money will basically just disappear without knowing how to go ahead and trade on a crypto or market. Now, how can you go ahead and use Cryptomania as a teaching tool? So you want to go ahead and download the application from the Google App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the device that you are using. Cryptomania is ideal not only for individuals learning but also for classroom environments. Teachers and crypto coaches often use it to demonstrate how market order works, limit orders, and technical analysis work in real time. So if you're an educator, you can go ahead and even design your own lessons around trading principles using this simulator right here. So once again, there's daily rewards, challenges that you can go ahead and check. This is basically just a game for trading on your mobile devices. There's leaderboards, you have the card right here, and more. Now, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can maximize your learning on Cryptomania. Once again, you want to set realistic goals like growing your portfolio by 10% in a week. Now, you want to study market indicators alongside your trades. You want to reflect on your losses and wins to improve your strategy. And lastly, you want to join forums or Discord groups to compare strategies with each other. So that's it. Basically, you cannot go ahead and withdraw money on Cryptomania because this is only a trading simulator. I've just created my account right here. I'm able to basically trade within the market. Now, if I earn some money with our trading right here, it will then add into my portfolio or the virtual money. Basically, this money is not real. You will be able to use this money in order to trade in a simulated market. So once again, you want to go ahead and treat the application as your real money because you want to go ahead and make mistakes on Cryptomania, or else you will be able to make mistakes using your real money. So you want to treat this seriously. So while you can't withdraw real money from Cryptomania, what you can gain is far more valuable. It's knowledge, confidence, and trading skills. Think of it as your crypto sandbox, where you can prepare for real thing, or don't let the lack of cash outs fool you. It's a serious tool for anyone who wants to learn crypto trading the smart way. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. You can download it from the Google App Store or the App Store from your mobile devices. Basically, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.